Introduction ***. Fast food taco phenomenon. Taco Bell. For millions across the globe, the very name conjures the scent of seasoned beef, the crunch of a perfectly toasted shell, and the vibrant colors of fresh toppings. But what most people don't realize is that behind the casual comfort of that drive-thru window lies a world of precision engineering and culinary science. From sourcing the raw ingredients to assembling the final taco in less than 3 minutes, Taco Bell operates on a scale that blends the art of cooking with the efficiency of a factory floor. Every spice blend, every tortilla, and every shred of lettuce is the product of a meticulously crafted system, one that ensures you get the exact same bold flavor whether you're in Los Angeles, Tokyo, or Dubai today. We step inside this high-speed world. We'll uncover how humble farm produce and raw proteins are transformed step by step into one of the most recognizable fast food icons on the planet. This is the hidden journey of the Taco Bell taco, from field to factory, from factory to kitchen, and from kitchen to your hands in record time. Segment 1. Sourcing the beef. It all begins with one of the taco's core ingredients, the seasoned beef. Taco Bell sources 100% USDA-inspected beef from approved suppliers. Large cuts of beef arrive at the processing plant, still chilled to ensure food safety. These cuts are ground to a specific particle size for texture consistency. The meat then undergoes a precise blending process, where proprietary seasoning mixes a secret combination of chili powder, paprika, cumin, garlic, and onion are added. At this stage, the meat is fully cooked in industrial steam jack kettles, locking in flavor while eliminating any risk of bacterial contamination. Once cooled slightly, the beef is portioned and sealed in food-grade packaging, ready to be frozen and shipped to Taco Bell restaurants worldwide. Segment 2. The crunchy taco shells. While seasoned beef is being prepared in one part of the supply chain, another facility is dedicated entirely to creating that unmistakable Taco Bell crunch. It all begins with corn masa flour, a finely ground nixtamalized corn powder that gives the shell signature flavor and golden hue. This flour is mixed with purified water in giant industrial mixers, forming a soft yet pliable dough. The dough is then rolled into thin, uniform sheets, each one carefully calibrated for thickness to ensure the perfect balance between crispness and strength. High-speed cutters stamp the sheet into perfectly round discs, which are quickly conveyed toward the fry line. Here, precision engineering meets culinary craft. The discs are gently folded over specialized stainless steel molds, giving them their iconic U-shape. As they ride through a bath of hot vegetable oil, precisely controlled temperature, the dough transforms into a golden, crunchy shell in mere seconds. From the oil, the shells move into a rapid cooling tunnel. A blast of chilled, misfiltered air halts cooking instantly, preserving crispness and preventing excess oil absorption. Once cooled, the shells are carefully stacked into protective sleeves that cradle each one, ensuring they arrive at Taco Bell restaurants unbroken and ready to be filled with bold flavors. Segment 3. Lettuce, cheese, and toppings. Fresh tops are just as important as the seasoned beef or the crispy shell. They bring color, texture, and a burst of freshness that completes the Taco Bell experience. The journey begins in vast lettuce fields, where rows of vibrant green iceberg lettuce sway under the morning sun. Skilled farm workers hand-select mature heads at peak crispness, cutting them at the base before quickly placing them into clean, chilled crates. From there, the lettuce travels in refrigerated trucks to processing facilities, ensuring that the crisp leaves never lose their freshness. Lettuce is washed in chilled, purified water with gentle agitation and antimicrobial rinse, then air-dried and sliced into uniform strips. Cheddar cheese is aged for months, shredded in cold facilities to preserve texture, and cut into soft strands. Ripe tomatoes are carefully selected, washed, inspected, iced, and sealed to lock in freshness. At Taco Bell's prep stations, these fresh toppings combine to create tacos that are crisp, creamy, juicy, and savory. Segment 4. Shipping to restaurants. Once every ingredient is sealed, labeled, and quality checked, the journey to Taco Bell's kitchens begins. Each item is carefully placed into its dedicated temperature-controlled container. Crisp lettuce and ripe tomatoes go into chilled compartments kept just above freezing, ensuring they stay crunchy and vibrant. Tender cuts of seasoned meat are locked into deep frozen storage, preserved at sub-zero temperatures, and dry goods like tortillas, seasoning packets, and sauces are stored in ambient bins to maintain texture and flavor. From there, a fleet of gleaming refrigerated trucks lines up at the loading bays, each with a precise route and timetable. Every minute matters. The logistics team works like a synchronized orchestra, scanning, loading, and verifying each order to match the unique needs of individual Taco Bell restaurants. The drivers know their schedules down to the minute. Avoiding delays means the difference between peak freshness and compromise. As the trucks roll out, their cooling systems hum steadily, maintaining ideal conditions no matter the weather outside. Hours later, they arrive at Taco Bell locations with everything still as fresh as the moment it left the distribution center. By the time staff unload the delivery, produce is crisp, the meats are perfectly preserved, and the dry goods are ready to use, allowing those sizzling tacos, melty quesadillas, and crunchy nachos tacos to be made that very same day. Segment 5. Assembly at the restaurant. Inside the restaurant, efficiency is everything. The back of house is designed like a miniature production line, where every station has a clear purpose. Frozen, pre-cooked beef portions arrive in vacuum-sealed bags. These are reheated in precisely controlled hot water baths, bringing them up to a steaming temperature that locks in moisture, keeps the meat tender. Once heated, the beef is transferred into insulated stainless steel pans on the front counter, where it stays hot and ready for quick scooping. Nearby, taco shells delivered pre-fried and golden are stacked in metal racks that keep them upright and easy to grab. Fresh ingredients like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and cheddar cheese are stored in refrigerated bins, each kept at a food-safe temperature. In less than 30 seconds, the taco is fully assembled. It's then wrapped tightly in branded paper to keep it warm, placed in a serving bag or tray, and passed across the counter to the customer fresh, hot, and ready to eat. Outro: from factory to hand. From the moment fresh ingredients arrive at Taco Bell's production facilities to the instant you take your first bite, every stage is part of a finely tuned system. Massive industrial kitchens prepare the seasoned beef, freshly cooked beans, and signature sauces in bulk, following strict recipes that leave no room for variation. Each tortilla is baked to the right texture, each filling is portioned to the gram, and every wrapper is folded with the same precision, ensuring consistency across thousands of locations. Once packaged, these components travel through carefully controlled supply chain, arriving at local Taco Bell kitchens, where staff assemble your taco in seconds. It's a process that transforms farm-fresh produce and expertly blended spices into a fast, flavorful snack that tastes exactly the same whether you're in Los Angeles, Tokyo, or Dubai.